Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best stainless pull-down sprayer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Kraus Brit Commercial Style Spot. Free stainless steel pre-rinse kitchen faucet with deck plate. Brand, Kraus. Recommended uses for product, kitchen. Mounting type, deck mount. Finish type, spot-free stainless steel. Material, stainless steel. Color, spot-free stainless steel. Included components, mounting hardware, faucet. Special feature, 360 swivel. Commercial faucet design with a heavy-duty open coil spring spout creates an industrial look with modern appeal. Dimensions: kitchen faucet height, 20 and 5/8 inches. Spout height, 6 and 3/8 in. Spout reach age January 2nd in. Flow rate 1.8 GPM. 3-function kitchen faucet with sprayer has large non-slip rubber button that switches between aerated stream to powerful spray to pausing the flow of water when needed. Docking arm with holder keeps flexible spring sprayer securely in place. Spout swivels 360 degrees for a full range of motion of kitchen sink faucet. Single handle kitchen faucet operates with 90 degrees forward rotation, allowing for installation in tighter spaces with no backsplash clearance needed. Number 2. Delta Faucet Kate Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet Brushed Nickel. Kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer, kitchen sink faucet, faucet for kitchen sink, soap dispenser. Pattern name, faucet. Brand, Delta. Recommended uses for product, kitchen. Mounting type, deck mount. Finish type, brushed. Material, brass. Color, stainless. Included components, faucet. Special feature, pull-down sprayer. Lasts 2x longer. Patented diamond seal technology reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard, ensuring leak-free operation for the life of the kitchen faucet. Magnetic docking. Magnerite docking uses a powerful magnet to snap your kitchen sprayer into place so it stays docked and doesn't droop over time like other kitchen faucets. Easy installation, designed to fit 2 or 3 hole, 6 to 16 inches. Configurations. Everything you need is together in one box, including a coordinating soap dispenser and InnoFlex PX supply lines that are integrated into the faucet for one less leak point. Number 3. Kraus Bolden Commercial Style 2-Function Single Handle. Pull-down kitchen faucet in spot-free stainless steel. Brand, Kraus. Recommended uses for product, kitchen. Mounting type, deck mount. Finish type, spot-free stainless steel. Material, stainless steel. Color, spot-free stainless steel. Included components, mounting hardware, faucet, water supply lines. Special feature. Commercial faucet design. Kitchen sink faucet with high arc open coil spring spout creates a professional modern look and is sized to fit in any kitchen or laundry room with optimized 18 3/4 height. Dimensions: overall height, 18 3/4 inches. Spout height, 6 1/4 inches. Spout reach 8 and 5/8 inches. Swivels 180 degrees, flow rate 1.8 GPM. Kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. Reach technology offers maximum maneuverability, with an easy retract hose and swivel adapter that enables a full range of motion so you can reach all around the kitchen sink. Number 4. Moen Edison Spot Resist Stainless. One-handle high-arc 4-hole kitchen faucet with side sprayer and soap. Pattern name, faucet. Brand, Moen. Recommended uses for product, kitchen. Mounting type, deck mount. Finish type, brushed. Material, metal. Color, spot resist stainless. Included components, kitchen faucet. Special feature, side spray. Side spray. The sink faucet includes side spray hose for convenient, flexible cleaning at the sink. Easy to use, single handle makes it easy to adjust the water temperature and pressure. Spot resistant. Spot resist stainless finish resists fingerprints and water spots for a cleaner looking kitchen. Everyday convenience, use the included dispenser for either soap or lotion. Trusted performance, tested beyond industry standards to handle real-world wear and tear so your faucet performs like new for decades. Built to last, backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. Number 5. Kraus KPF-1691MB Brit 2nd Gen Commercial Style Pull-Down Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet, Matte Black. Brand Kraus. Recommended uses for product kitchen. Mounting type deck mount. Finish type matte. Material brass. Color matte black. Included components mounting hardware, faucet. Special feature pull-down sprayer. Commercial faucet design. The Brit pull-down kitchen faucet features a striking silhouette with an exposed spring design. Dimensions: kitchen faucet height 22¼ in. Spout height 6½ in. Spout reach 8⁻⁸ in. Swivels 360 degrees, flow rate 1.8 GPM. Pull-down faucet with reach technology offers maximum maneuverability and enables a full range of motion so you can flex, pivot, and reach all around the kitchen sink. Independent docking arm swings to the side to prevent interference with the spray head. 3-function kitchen faucet with sprayer. Switch between aerated stream and powerful spray, or pause the flow of water with the touch of a non-slip rubber button. Easy clean nozzles. Soft rubber sprayer holes allow you to wipe away mineral buildup. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.